Alright, let's get real for a second. You know those days when you just don't want to get out of bed? Yeah, I've been there too. But here's the thing. Every productive day starts with a single decision to just begin. Think about it. Even if you're not feeling 100%, making that first move, whether it's getting dressed, opening your laptop, or just making your bed, sets the tone for everything that follows. It's like a domino effect. One small action leads to another, and before you know it, you're on a roll. Now, I'm not saying you have to turn into a superhero overnight. Start small. Set one tiny, achievable goal for the morning. Maybe it's reading a page of your notes or drinking a glass of water. Celebrate that win. Let it fuel you. Because honestly, motivation isn't something you magically wake up with. It's something you create, bit by bit, with every choice you make. And the coolest part, you're in control. You get to decide how your day unfolds. So next time you feel stuck, remember, just start. Take that first step, however small. You've got this. Your future self is already cheering you on. Now go out there and make today count.